called a double displacement chemical reaction. We're going to take vinegar, also called acetic acid, and baking soda, and we're going to mix them together. Now, first of all, this will form sodium acetate and carbolic acid. But the carbolic acid is very unstable, and there will be a secondary chemical reaction which happens immediately, which is called a decomposition reaction. So, you're going to take a bottle. We're going to use the funnel so it doesn't get too messy. We are going to put some vinegar in the bottom of the bottle, about 1 inch, 2 to 3 centimeters. Once we put the vinegar in, we're going to clean this out because we don't want the reaction to happen in here. Next, we are going to put the funnel into a balloon. We are going to put this into the balloon until it's about 1 inch deep. Now the heart of the balloon over the end of the bottle without spilling any of the powder. If you spill the powder early, you're going to make a mess, which I just failed to do with the balloon hanging down at the top. Then once all of that is done, we will do the funnel. Okay? So, everyone please take a bottle. To the bottom of the balloon very tightly, don't let it go. Alright, we're only going to get one shot at this. Are you ready? Are you filming? Ready? Everybody ready? On 3, 1, 2, 3. If you put more in, you get a bigger reaction.